Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simple tutorial for doing a TPMS calibration on a Honda CR-V. TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System, and it's basically the system that monitors the tire pressure on the vehicle. This is a 2017 Honda CR-V. What we have here is the home screen. So right now we're on the home screen of the infotainment system over here, and I'm going to show you how to do the TPMS calibration. Now let me tell you what led me to make this video. My TPMS light was on before, simply because I had changed the tires and so forth, so I had to recalibrate the system. So I went to the calibration and then it fixed the problem. So I figured that I'd show you exactly how to do it because it's so simple. So right here we're on the home screen, okay? Let's just get a better view here. What we want to go to is we want to go to settings. So we're going to go into settings, and I'll probably do more tutorials on this card because there are so many things that you can change and adjust in the infotainment system. So we've gone to settings, and now we have settings for all of these sections. Now the section that we're going to look for is the vehicle, and it's right over here. And over here you can see that we can choose now from all of the different vehicle settings. So right now you can actually use this as an opportunity to change whatever you want, and you can see it actually works for each individual driver. So right now I'm driver 2. That's the key that I have. My wife has driver 1 because I always say that she's number 1. So with that being said, you can change certain things for certain drivers, which is really cool. Now, obviously, to calibrate the TPMS, you can go to TPMS calibration up there. You click that right there. TPMS calibration, all that you would have to do is hit the calibrate button, and then you just have to drive. And I don't know what the exact number is because I've gotten mixed responses for how many kilometers or miles you have to drive for. But I will say that after you've driven for a little bit, the calibration is done, because I had the light on and I ended up driving for just a bit, and then the light ended up going off. I mean, I noticed that it had gone off the next day at some point. So I don't know how many kilometers I'd driven, but I don't drive that much. So basically, you would hit calibrate. Now, I already did the calibration, so I'm not going to go and do it again because I don't want to sort of mess around with the system. But you would hit calibrate, and it's very simple. The rest is straightforward. You just end up driving, basically, and it'll end up calibrating the TPMS. So if you have a problem with your TPMS light coming on when your tires are fully inflated, if your light comes on and it's giving you the warning and your tires are fully inflated properly, then you should calibrate your system to let your car know that the tire pressure that your tires are currently at is the one that it should be at. And that's the point of calibrating it, to sort of let your car know that, this is the pressure that the tire should be at, the pressure that they're currently at. And that's it. This has been a very simple tutorial for doing a TPMS calibration on a Honda CR-V. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.